A series of cool and seemingly unconnected events occurred recently which saw me make a new friend, riding partner and supporter of the channel. Meet Phil. I was first introduced to Phil as a Bikes I Like Patreon member, and Phil reached out to me with a very kind and generous offer. Phil offered to make 2 garage signs for the Bikes I Like channel, one for me to keep and one as a Patreon giveaway. An offer I gratefully accepted. At the same time, my wife had booked a holiday for us, our son and our granddaughter to Echuca, Victoria. Hey, sick P here.
That's my car, so yeah.
It's the sickest car in the world.
Yep.
Hey, don't forget to vote for Millie.
That is my car. Say hello, Pa.
Hello, Pa. Echuca, a town situated on the Murray River, complete with paddle steamers and a destination known for its warmer weather. Amazingly, it turns out Phil and Whoop Tui, Phil's engraving and sign business, are based in Echuca. What a coincidence. I let Phil know I was heading his way, and Phil very kindly offered to show me around his facilities as well as check out his bikes. 2 very nice Harleys, a Sport Glide and a Fat Bob. This is how it all played out.
So whether it be the back of a watch or a pewter mug, or if you're a bike person.
Cool. Yeah, nice.
Yep. So we can customise all of that type of stuff. So people can bring it in.
Yep.
Or they can,
okay, so they don't have to buy it here.
they can buy it.
Yeah.
They might buy a Yeti.
Oh yeah.
Which we don't sell. And then
what's a Yeti?
It's like a thermos.
Ah, okay, yeah.
Which they're really good stubby holders too. If you
want to
keep the beer cold.
Yeah, okay.
So they can bring one of those in, and we can engrave it with a logo or Bikes I Like logo. Or whatever you want to. Yeah, that's it.
Like that.
All that type of stuff. We do arrange. Obviously, we can make stubby holders. Custom-made stubby holders, and then we do a range of garage signs, which are custom made. Okay. So basically, you can import a picture that you like, and then you can then put the person's name in there, whether it's their 21st or their 18th birthday. You can pretty much customise it and make it
it's like a template, and then you update.
That's it.
Yeah, okay. Yep.
Or we can custom design the whole thing from scratch, like that East Side Mustang Club one, full custom design. Okay, cool. Yeah.
So is that plastic?
That's acrylic.
Acrylic, okay. Yeah. So these are all acrylic, or they?
No, some of them are aluminium.
Okay.
But now we do most of it out of acrylic.
Yeah. Okay. Cool.
All that's here in Echuca.
Okay.
That range there.
Yep.
So, and that's all custom.
Okay.
So we can do a set design like those types of shapes, but we custom make it all to the client's requirements.
Okay, cool.
So we can engrave, that's engraved straight into the timber.
Oh yes.
And that's printed on top.
Okay. So is that like an edge? And
that's
then,
an edge, yep.
And then the screen print?
It's like a screen, it's actually like just a normal printer.
Oh yeah. But
specifically for this industry, this purpose. Yep.
Wow.
Over here, Nico made your signs.
Oh, thank you.
And he's just got his bike, he's just gone to his P's.
Oh yeah, so what are you riding?
I'm riding a Yamaha XSR 700.
Okay, nice, nice.
Yeah.
Has a Kelpie exhaust on it, which makes the parallel twin sound
sound fantastic,
incredible.
Yeah. The cross-plane crank engine is just superb. It's the best thing that Yamaha ever did, I reckon.
That engine sound is absolutely phenomenal.
And how do you find it for your height?
Yeah, it's perfect.
Good?
Yeah. No, don't have a look at it when you got it.
Yeah. You don't mind me filming?
No, you're right. He picked it up and he had a look at it. I didn't even get to see it. He goes, no, it looks like a good bike.
It's like, it's funny, isn't it? Like you get some bikes you don't expect are going to be good for taller people.
Yeah.
And then other bikes you jump on and think, actually, this works.
Yeah. Lovely bike.
And Japanese bikes do tend to work, I find. Yeah.
It's got a really tall seat height.
A
really tall seat height.
Yeah.
And it's and he's taller than me.
Yeah. So what are you, 6'4"?
So it's comfortable. Nice
So you can spend some time on it. The seat's comfortable.
Yeah. We've done a few like 3-hour trips and whatnot on it. No dramas.
Nice. That's it. It's very, it's not nice clean edge on it, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It's very nice. So this is just the same thing, but a big version.
Okay, wow.
Yeah.
So this does laser. Is it only laser?
Exactly the same.
Okay. Yep.
Just this is a bigger bed.
This is one that will cut through the
This
thicker
will cut
material.
through the thicker material,
okay,
correct?
yeah.
Yeah. Over here we've got mechanical engraving. So that's the old school
Ah, yes. Yep.
way of doing things.
Yep.
Another little laser.
Okay. Yeah.
And then hiding around here, we've got we've got those.
They're awesome.
Yeah.
I'll get Phil to say or tell you guys what this is all about, because Phil is a Patreon member and contacted me to say would I like something to give to you guys.
Yep.
And my thinking, one's for me, one's to give away, or
You can do that. Absolutely, no problems at all.
Because,
I think you need to keep
because
one.
after seeing it, I want to keep one.
Yes, absolutely.
100%, and just put it behind me when I'm.
For sure.
Yeah,
so we've got your logo for a one-off garage sign for one of your Patreon members.
Yeah.
Yep. So that's exciting.
Thank you very much, Phil. That's a very, very kind donation. And
You're welcome. And then we've got yours wrapped up,
yeah, nice,
ready for you,
nice,
for your garage.
fantastic. They're awesome. Got a little treat here. Phil's just brought me over to his house to show me his bikes, and he's going to tell us about his Harley Davidson Sport Glide.
Yep, Sport Glide
and
a
Fat Bob, and his son's XSR 700.
Yep.
And in particular interested in is how tall are you? 6'3"?
Well, I was 6'4", but I've shrunk an inch.
Yeah. I was 6'2", I'm now 6'1.5". So,
there you go,
yeah,
see?
yeah.
And I reckon it happens in your 50s because...
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I don't know. I've noticed it.
Yeah.
So, my son's 6'4". He's riding the XSR 700.
And he's comfortable on it.
And he's really comfortable
So
on
there
it.
you go,
And he's
6'4".
comfortable on a trip.
There you go.
Yep.
Yeah.
So a 3-4 hour ride, absolutely no issues.
Yeah, that's fantastic.
Yeah.
All right, start up time. Let's hear the goodies. Yeah, that's what I was. Yeah, I remember that had a really unique dash on it.
It does.
Yeah.
It's got like little grids.
Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, I reckon that's TFT.
Yeah, it might be.
Because
TFT.
LCD is.
It wouldn't be that bright.
No.
No.
That's much better than LCD. Yeah. What's the place like here?
Yeah, next question.
Now, this bad boy.
So this bad boy, the Sport Glide. So 2022 model, Sport Glide, discontinued colour.
Okay.
So it's a cream, I've forgotten the name of it.
It's a nice colour, it's beautiful.
It's a cream colour.
Yeah.
Obviously with panniers, it's got a stage 2
Okay.
kit in it.
So that's air cleaner,
So air cleaner.
pipes.
Mine has the original headers, but with a slip-on pipe,
Okay, yep.
with a Reinhardt slip-on.
Okay, yep.
And it's got a Screaming Eagle 442 cam in it.
Okay.
Yep. And then the rest of it's all cosmetic. So it's got extended forward controls. So
Yeah,
they
this is
give you an extra 3 inches over and above standard Harley forward controls.
So your standard forwards would be here.
Standard forwards are back there, correct?
Yep. Okay. And these come with standard forwards, don't they?
They do.
Yep.
They come. So
Yep.
both the Sport Glide and the Fat Bob comes standard with forwards.
Yep.
And then these extended forwards.
3 inches.
So
Yeah.
it gives you an extra 3 inches.
And so they're your mounts where your standard forwards would go.
That's
come out,
correct.
and then
Yep.
this is just push forward.
Yep. And then basically, this section here
Yep.
used to sit in
Yeah,
here.
okay, yep.
So you sort of had a clean line with the frame here.
Yeah. Okay.
So
Yep.
it pushes everything out. Proud of that frame.
I need to have a sit.
You do. Absolutely do.
I'm going to let you hang on to that.
Rightio.
test. Oh, the stance is holding up a bit. Wow. That's awesome, isn't it?
Yeah.
Because even with the forward controls on the Chief, I reckon it's going to be back where the standard forwards was on here.
Even your leg angle is really good.
Yeah, isn't it?
Yeah, you sort of, your knees drop from your hip.
This seat too's got nice back support.
It has.
This is just a
Stock seat.
Really?
Yep. Yep, stock seat.
Really? Wow.
So it is quite a, I think it's
awesome.
quite a difference.
Yeah, that's awesome. Okay, so this is the garage sign Phil has donated and the sign I'll be giving away for the month of December 2023. I will be drawing the winner on Christmas Eve. All you need to do is be a Patreon member. If you have a YouTube channel or like something you saw at Phil's today or would like to have something custom made, reach out to Phil at Whooptooey. Phil produces great quality products at very reasonable prices, and I personally will be working with Phil to make new stuff for my channel in the very near future. Plus, he's a good bloke. Oh, and did I mention, he's also a firefighter. Yeah, pretty cool. Thank you very much, Phil, for donating this Patreon giveaway and for being a friend of the Bikes I Like channel. And thanks again for watching this video, everyone. And until next time, bye for now.